Adjective. Today we will discuss adjective, very important topic of English grammar. So what does mean by adjective? A word they describe a noun or a pronoun. A word they describe a noun or pronoun is known as adjective. It tells what kind, which one, how many. It tells what kind, which one, how many. For example, what is the function of the adjective? The function of the adjective is to describe noun or pronoun. How it will describe noun and how it will describe a pronoun. Later I will discuss in this lecture. So the types of adjective. First of all, we need to learn the types of adjective. The first one is descriptive or qualitative adjective. Descriptive or qualitative adjective. Descriptive or qualitative adjective describe quality, character. It will describe the character or quality of a noun. I will have a noun and I will describe the character and quality of the noun. So this adjective will be qualitative adjective or descriptive adjective. For example, wise teacher. In the wise teacher, teacher is a noun and wise is adjective. Which type of adjective is wise? Wise is descriptive adjective or qualitative adjective. Poem. Poem is a noun. So now deep poem. So this deep is qualitative or descriptive adjective. Bright idea. Bright idea. Idea is a noun and bright is the description of the idea. So this is descriptive or qualitative adjective. Now what is the quality of my idea? My idea is really bright. So this is what? Qualitative or descriptive adjective. Now I have an example. She gave a deep explanation. She gave a deep explanation. So now there is a deep, the word deep, this deep is descriptive or qualitative adjective. The second type is quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective tells quantity, how much. It will work on two things, quantity and how much. That what is the quantity of something. For example, little time. This time is a noun and this little is an adjective. Which type of adjective? Quantitative adjective. Water. Now, much water. The quantity of water is much. Chance. Chance. Chance is a noun and no is an adjective. Which type of adjective? Quantitative adjective. For example, we have little time left. We have little time left. The third type is numeral adjective. Numeral adjective tells number or order. It tells number or order. For example, 3 students. Now the number of the students are 3. So this 3 is an adjective and this is numeral adjective. Class. First class. So this first is an adjective, that is numeral adjective. Benefit is a noun. So the description of the benefit is double. So what description is there? There is numerality. So the numeral adjective is double. For example, the 3 points were clear. The 3 points were clear. The points is a noun and before the noun there is 3 and this 3 is an adjective, numeral adjective. Now possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows ownership or possession. My notes. Notes is a noun and my is an adjective, possessive adjective. Answer. Your answer. Your is adjective and possessive adjective. Curie. Curie is a noun and his is an adjective and this is possessive adjective. Class. Class is a noun. Our. Our is a possessive adjective. For example, my understanding improved. This understanding is a noun. So before the noun there is word my and this my is adjective, possessive adjective. Demonstrative. Demonstrative are used for point out something. Near thing, far thing. Near person, far person. Near thing, far thing. Near place, far place. So in that way I can use book, this book. Now this is, the word this is demonstrative adjective. That lecture. This is demonstrative adjective. These notes, those ideas. So these, those, this, they, these words are demonstrative adjective. For example, I like this example. So the word this here use as demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjective asks question about noun. It will ask a question about noun. For example, which topic, which. So this which is something that is interrogative adjective and it asks a question about the topic, that is noun. What method? Method is a noun, and now I am asking the method, the type of method, that what method, whose book, whose is an adjective, that is interrogative adjective. It is used for the word book, that is noun. For example, which poem did you choose? Which poem? The question is about poem. So which poem? So interrogative adjective are used for what? For ask a question. So that's all about adjective, and I hope you learn something about adjective. That's enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day.